Hi! Today we're going to open up these mini capsules. I'm sure I'm okay. As you can see, we have 3 of these MiniVerse Make It Mini Nature capsules. And we're going to open all 3 today. It's plant. I like these little miniature newspaper that they put to wrap these in. It's the strawberries! I heard you could pick these and put them back. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay. And this is the little crate. You know, the little crate and the little basket. It's supposed to be the little basket that you put them in when you buy them from the store. And this is the crate to transport them to the store. And we have our instructions in Spanish, French, and English. And this is our little, so we got the strawberries. We got the strawberries. I like the series. I really, really do. And then we have the dirt for the strawberries. And the basket or display thing. So, we are going to open this. And then we will go on to our next capsule. And this goes down here. I don't know how it goes, but that's where they go. That's for the display. And this goes in here. It looks like a wishbone, like Coach Cat from Portugal. And the little, I don't know what this is called, but it's to put the dirt in the basket. I want to do a mashup, so I want to take a couple of the nature and other stuff that I have, and I seen these cool mashups from other YouTubers, and that's what I want to do with these. So I'm going to put everything back in here. We got the strawberries. I'm going to put these in here because I don't want it to get messed up. But I'm going to put this in here. Everything back in here. Oh, nice. So I'm going to get the miniature fishes and the miniature fishes and frogs in there. Before the turtle, I wasn't going to get turtle. It's different. Yay! Okay, I don't know what it is. Is it another flower? Okay, it's another flower. Potato. Okay, it's the vase. With some little shredded papers in there. Okay, so this one we bought this, and the things for the stand. Okay, so water, I guess. Well, not water. They say it's water, but it's actually resin. And yeah, it's resin. It's not water. And then what are the flowers? Daisies? Are these daisies? I don't know. Oh my goodness! Can you guys even see what I'm? No, they're not daisies. They're a different kind of flower. But look how cute! It's 2 purple, two purple, 1 light pink, and 1 darker pink. And it comes in this cute little wrapping paper thing. And that's it. Okay, so you will put it in the vase, and if you want to put some resin, take out the little papers. But this is all going to go into the flower shop that I am working on, and I want to do some remixes, like I said. So that one is this one. This one right here is the one that I just got. I want to get rid of our last capsule. from, I don't know if it was Amazon or Target, but I just got out of the 6 capsules for the spring time. I just got the cups, the shakes, and the double bags. It's what I got, and I think this is a double. It's a fish! It's not a double! It's a fish! Look at my fish! Look at my fish! Ah! No! Look at the fish! There you go. Oh, 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 oh. And that's what I want to do. I want to make a fish tank with different things. Oh my goodness! This goes in the fish tank. Oh my gosh. And I got another little newspaper. Because summertime people just be coming up with the weirdest things. Like they put a motor on a bicycle and they still got a pedal. I don't understand the concept. This is water. Not real water, but resin. The fish tank. I want my fish tank to be a regular looking fish tank. But oh, this one comes with a stand. What? What? Look at how cute. Look at how cute. Ooh, and it comes with an order form. 1 glass bowl with sand. I think they forgot the sand. Pebble! Oh, pebbles! They still forgot the sand. Where's the sand? They forgot the sand. How? How can they forget the sand? Let's see if it's supposed to come with sand. No, the sand's not in there. Oh, no, it doesn't come with sand. The little order says it did. But this is the one that I got. Looks like this. Oh, I want to get the froggy. I want to get them. I want them all. I want them all. Okay. So, garden. Okay. Just the regular stuff. But look at how cute. Mess. Don't look at the mess. Don't look at the mess. Don't look at the mess. Look at the stuffices. Look how cute the stuffices is. Oh, yay. You can see the smile on my face, but my heart is singing right now. Look at how cute. And the other day, on Sunday, I got this as a gift. And this is make it mini from, is it? Yeah, it's make it from scratch. And so this is a gift, and I was so happy when I got it. Stuff like this, when people give me stuff like this, it makes me so happy. Okay, so this is make it mini, and we got the cooling rack. It's gold. This one's gold. And we have the mat to work with the resin. We have a vanilla dough and cookie dough, and this is kind of like a it's what it is. It's a dough. You get 2 of those separate ones. Got this little thing here that always comes with all of them. I got a tube of icing. I got the stamper and the cutter, the cookie cutter, which is the little cat, and the stamper for the sides, and the spatula. And this is for the icing. We got a rolling pin. This is a good rolling pin. And then I already put that in there, which is the stand. And that one, you put it together like that. And then you put it in there. Just snap it in there. And then this is the top part. I'm going to put it in there to display your stuff. But this is what that one is. And it's the vanilla kitty cookies. This is what it should look like. But I might make them into bunny cookies. Instead of the kitty cat, I'm going to probably make 3 kitty cats and then 3 bunny cookies. Don't look at the mess. 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 This is everything that came in that one that was gifted to me. And shout out to Marilyn. Thank you, Marilyn. Thank you, girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So it was such a nice surprise to get a capsule just because, and I opened it. it was given to me closed. So it was so nice. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, thank you so much for stopping by, for opening these capsules with me. I will see you soon. Bye.